oil price in few hours from -40 to +20. How is that possible? Well, it's possible because it's an illusion. Let's see what I mean. First thing, what are we talking about? We're talking about futures contract for oil. Futures are simply orders for oil to be delivered in a given month. Let's understand this with Wolf, the speculator, and Chuck, the producer. Flashback, January 2020. Hey Chuck, how much you want for a barrel of oil? $35, Wolf. Okay, I want to buy 2,000 barrels. I'll pay you right now, but I want 1,000 barrels delivered in May and the other 1,000 delivered in June. Chuck gets the money and gives Wolf two contracts. One for the barrels of May and the other one for the ones in June. Those contracts are the famous futures. Wolf paid $35 a barrel in January for the two contracts, and he hopes that the demand for oil will raise so he will be able to sell those contracts for a higher price. He can sell each contract until its expiration date. Flash forward, April 2020. Corona came and demand for oil vanished. Nobody right now wants to buy 1,000 barrels of oil delivered in May, so the price for those barrels is less than zero. We saw that in the past video. For the 1,000 barrels of June, we have very few people interested, so the price is very low, but still higher than zero. When we ask what is the oil price today, in common language we mean the price of the contract closer to its expiration date. On April 20, May contracts expired. From that day, the closest contract to expire passed from being May contract to June. That's why it seems that the price jumped from -40 to +20 in just few hours, but we're actually watching two different contracts with two different prices. Time for a question. Do you have a friend who keeps telling you, man, we need to buy oil right now because price will eventually go up and we will get rich? Now that you know that each month has its own contract with its own price, can you tell me why your friend is dead wrong and you can lose a lot of money? Let me know and we can make a specific video to answer your friend. But you already have the key in this video right here. Now share, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tales of Startup if you enjoyed this video. As always, fai a MODINO.